Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is trying to break out at the moment. Don't get too excited yet. It's an attempted breakout and we haven't got the 5 waves yet. Remember, we really need that 5th wave of this potential 5-wave structure. Get to the 1.618 extension to 42.79 cents. It's really important that we get a 3rd wave that reaches 41.7 cents. And a 5th wave that reaches 42.79 cents. We need those 5 waves filled in. Okay, without those 5 waves, there is no clear upside structure. And there is no confirmation that the larger wave 2 that we've been observing has indeed bottomed on the 18th of June. So I still track that as a corrective pullback in a wave 2, which, as I said, might have bottomed there. And from here, a 3rd wave rally could begin. But this here is not convincing at all. Nevertheless, we know that cryptos tend to rally from corrective structures, and it's all about structure. I need those 5 waves because the initial rally between the between the 18th of June and then the 19th of June high, so just happening in a day, that's just a 3-wave move up. So I need the next 5 waves of the next larger degree for a confirmation. And I definitely recognize that ADA could do it. It's not a prediction. Okay, I'm gonna get more bullish if I really see the 5 waves. But the analysis, that's the benefit of the analysis, that's the value, tells us which parameters now need to be reached to follow that roadmap here that's highlighted in white on the chart. And it also tells us when it will diverge from it. Because if we break below support at 36.9 cents, this is likely going to fail this upside breakout. Okay. Now careful. I sent that to our gold members earlier today. Whenever Bitcoin is whenever ADA is trying to break out, typically Bitcoin is ruining the show. So it could be that Bitcoin is failing and it's all going down again. Just be aware, it's happened so many times. ADA trying to break out, oh, Bitcoin goes down. Okay, just fun fact. But yeah, I think the parameters are clear. Wave 3 needs to reach 41.7 cents or higher to call it a viable 3rd wave, and the wave 5 really the 42.79 cent level or higher. Important to recognize that ADA has reacted to my support zone twice. So there's a micro support zone here that we defined. Some of you might have traded it, some not, but there was a reaction twice, and we have a double bottom here. Double bottoms are often B waves, so okay, that kind of makes sense, so that's all okay. And it just needs to be we just need that additional upside momentum. Next resistance is that 41.7 cent level, but also it's structural resistance, not only Fibonacci resistance, but also structurally here it's going to be difficult for the price to really push through. And yeah, that's all I can say really. I mean, what we need to watch for now is, can ADA get to these levels? Obviously, the idea that a C-wave rally here in wave 3 is unfolding is only valid as long as the price holds above the Sunday low, which was formed here around 37.9 cents. Any break below the Sunday low will invalidate this and will send the price back into the orange micro support zone, which isn't necessarily bearish, but it means maybe this B wave is simply extending. Okay, and then the same stuff will happen that happened here between the 13th of April and the 7th of June, just this extension of this long sideways range. And whenever there is failures to break out, yeah, we see these extensions. But it's looking as if it wants to pull away from support and it's trying to break out, but let's assume Bitcoin comes down now and breaks below its support. Probably ADA will as well. So it's quite funny because that happened many times recently. That when ADA was finally trying to break, Bitcoin ruined the show. But these are the parameters that we need to be watching today and maybe in the next few days. And bear in mind, further upside extensions are always possible. But that's why I gave you the support zone. You have to find a position if you want to. But it really is about, we need to get at least to those levels I mentioned to get a nice 5-wave move. Because if we do, then we have a first structural confirmation that indeed wave 2 has bottomed. And then if we get these 5 waves, the next pullback could be the next opportunity. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.